Today's project is a draw knife. We're going to be taking a bar of steel 5160 from that to this. So, let's get started. First is the handles. We're going to create these on either side by taking a section of material and then drawing it out, creating a shoulder where the blade will be in the center. I went out a couple inches from the blade to start the bend for my handles. You can kind of do this however you want. You can play around with it and find out what feels comfortable. Once we're done turning these handles, a quick coat of linseed oil and let them sit. The water you see me dunking the piece into is to reduce the heat from the friction of the belts. If there's too much friction, the temperature can get too high and it'll ruin your heat treat. So the handle construction is the last thing. First thing I did was slide on that washer. Then I heated up the tip that I'm going to bend over and slid on the handle. Then very quickly peened over that end, locking the whole handle in place. Alright, so the draw knife came out beautifully. It works really well. I can't wait to start using this on some other projects. If you guys make one of these, go ahead and let me see a picture of it in the comments. But I'm going to get on out of here. I'll see you guys next time.